Okay guys, welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy, and this is actually the part 3 of this video, and I promised to show you guys on my telegram channel the trade that I took on GBPJPY. Okay, so like we said, the market has broken structure here and we're looking forward to buys. Okay, right here, and we have this fair value gap displayed here, so we're looking forward to what to buy. So let me see if I can get my bro. So we have this fair value gap here. Okay, now take note of this. Whenever price break out of structure, it is bound to create a fair value gap that will make it come back. So we had this liquidity zone here, a double bottom. So price went up, showing a confirmation of a break of structure here and here. So we're expecting price to come back here. Guess what it did? It came back, but it did not actually come here. It actually created another liquidity. Liquidity simply means where money is resting. So price went back up and changed character. Change of character simply means that we are actually going to be returning back bullish. Okay, but back to the initial trend, and price came back down to this other block. Now this is a mistake I used to make before now, that whenever price come back to here I want to jump immediately. That's the wrong thing. I want you to wait for a pullback after price touches it and comes back down. This was where we got the morning star and jumped in the trade. What? Why? Because all some folks were selling here. Now where should we be targeting? We should be targeting here and actually here. Okay, now let's go dive right in into my telegram channel. Let me show you what I did in this trade. I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so right where we are in the channel is my telegram channel. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video. Okay, so it's actually a small account trade, so let's check it. See right where I entered the trade from, so you guys can see the live trade, so it's not something that I'm creating actually. Okay, here we are. So you can see where I bought from. Now what was my confirmation? I wanted to see price come back here. Okay, this was where I jumped into the trade. Sorry, I wait for price to create. What did we see here? This is 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom it closely. This 1 hour time frame, and we can see that the market gave us what, a preceding what chart part candlestick pattern, showing that price has covered 50% of the last bullish bearish candle that took price down, and the bullish candle that went up covered above 50%. Okay, so something like this was the last bearish candle, and this was the next bullish candle that actually covered 50% of the previous one. So this is a good entry. Okay, so that was what I saw there that made me enter this trade here. But I didn't enter here, I was kind of like skeptical. I wanted to see some little moves, so I saw price went up and came back down to confirm. And what did it confirm? You can notice that the first leg that I told you about, that I did not want to enter, I wanted to see a pullback. So price came back down and went back up, kind of like a chart pattern. Left side of the shoulder head and the right side of the shoulder. This was where I jumped in. As you can see my entry, when I went down to the lower time frame where this wick is, let's see if I can see it in 5 minutes. I'm not think I actually screenshot 5 minutes. It's just 1 hour that I did screenshot, or I didn't. Okay, so this was where I jumped into the trade. And where should we be our first target? Now if you're a trader that you want to like to put your TP, but this trade was actually an open TP, okay, you want to place it here. Why here? Because why? Price actually came here before now as a change of character here, so it's not going to be coming back here to reverse back down again. No, what it's going to be doing this time around is that it's going to be sweeping it up. So you want to put your TP here, or you want to put it above. Okay, this market actually moved over 203 pips. 203 pips, that's a lot of money if you're trading with a good lot size. But I was using the 0.01 because the account size I was using was actually small. Guys, it's not a matter of the account size, it's a matter of you understanding what you're doing. Now one of the secrets I've got to understand about trading is, if you're able to understand how to trust yourself in the process of trading, you are likely going to be making a lot of money. Because why? You already trust yourself, so the account size is not actually a problem. Okay, There are some of the trades that I've taken here in our community. I cannot take time to show you guys all of it. Now, one of the amazing things is that I drop important information. Now, if you're a trader that actually been trading and you're having emotional problems in trading and placing your trade, I dropped the video in the Telegram, so you can see it, emotional intelligence. You can actually join the comment in the description of this video. You can actually check it out and get the link to join this group. You can download the book from here. It's a free ebook that I dropped, and I'm going to be dropping other future ebooks that I feel might be helpful to traders. Okay. Now, also, if you are also in this community, one of the benefits is that you'll be the first to know whenever we have video online on YouTube. You'll be the first to know anything that's coming up in our academy. Okay, you'll be the first to know. And if you're looking forward to learning how to trade forex, we actually have an academy, Trading with Sammy, where we teach guys on how to trade. Now, this was one of my favorite trade. If I'm to say one of my favorite trade this year, is this. This year is this. JPY. This was the best trade I've taken so far. Okay, so far I've seen other trades, but I just love this one because of the market was actually giving me exactly what I really wanted. Okay, so you get to see stuff like this and you will be able to trade the forex market and be in profit. It's not just about a probing profit, it's about having a system that works and trusting your system, relaxing and allowing your trade run. Okay, that's all for this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.